Want to make YouTube videos without a camera or microphone? I'm creating a series of free AI tools that let you do just that. And you don't even need any tech skills. These AI tools are perfect for faceless videos. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you will create your first YouTube video using these tools. You ready? Let's dive into it. The first on the list is Invideo AI. With one sentence description, you can generate a complete video. Let's start by going to the Invideo AI creator page on your web browser and sign up. In this case, I will be using Google Chrome.
Click on the Sign Up at the right side corner and proceed. Put your email and continue. You would be prompted to input the OTP that has been sent to your email. Once this is provided, continue. Here you provide your name, workspace name, and the year of birth. Then hit Continue. Select the ones that are applicable in your case. For me, it's TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Hit Continue. Now let's create our first video. Let's create a video of the 10 best cities in the world. This might take a few minutes. Here, I will be creating a 45 seconds Instagram reel, and then it will begin to load. And boom, our first video is created.
Want travel inspo in 45 seconds? Let's go. Number 10, Barcelona sun, tapas, Gaudi vibes. Number 9, Sydney beaches, that iconic opera house. Number 8, Bangkok street food heaven, non-stop energy. Number 7, Tokyo neon, efficiency, next level culture. Number 6, Paris art, romance, croissants on repeat. Number 5, New York City skyscrapers, hustle, endless eats. Number 4, Cape Town mountains, beaches, epic views. Number 3, Lisbon charm, pastel streets, great coffee. Number 2, Singapore spotless, futuristic, insanely green. Number 1, Rome history everywhere, pizza that slaps. Which city are you booking first?
Here, you can edit the video, if you want to adjust any of these options. Otherwise, you can go ahead and download. In the paid version, you can download with watermarks and can also change setting to suit your need. However, if you want me to make a video of AI tools that can remove watermarks, comment below in the comment section. Hit on the download and your video will start rendering.
For the next video on this series, please stick around, subscribe to this channel, like and share. Bye.